If you encounter the error Windows was unable to complete the format while formatting a USB drive, SD card, or external hard drive, don't panic. It's a common issue. This video outlines the possible causes and offers several easy-to-follow solutions to resolve the formatting failure. Part 1. Why is Windows unable to complete the formatting SD card or USB or flash or hard drive? The Windows was unable to complete the formatting error can be caused by issues like incompatible file systems, bad sectors, virus infections, write protection, empty drives, or physical damage. Identifying the cause helps in choosing the correct solution. Part 2. How to fix the Windows was unable to complete the format issue. Here are 6 effective solutions you can try to fix the Windows was unable to complete the formatting SD card error. Solution 1. Remove write protection. Step 1. Connect your external drive which Windows is unable to format to your PC. Step 2. Toggle the switch on your USB or SD card to the off position. Solution 2. Remove viruses or malware. When a storage device is infected with a virus or malware, you may be unable to access the stored data or format it normally. In this case, you should remove the infection first, then proceed with formatting the device. Solution 3. Force format using disk management. Step 1. Connect your removable storage device to your PC if you want to format it. Step 2. Press Win+X, then select Disk Management. Step 3. Find your USB flash drive or external hard drive, right-click it, and choose Format. Step 4. Select a file system NTFS or FAT32, enable Quick Format, and click OK to confirm. Solution 4. Format using CM commands. However, this method requires caution because incorrect commands may erase the wrong disk. Step 1. Press Win+R, type CM'd in the dialog box, and press Enter to open command prompt. Step 2. Type diskpart and press Enter. Step 3. Type list disk and press Enter to display all available disks on your computer. Step 4. Type select disk 0, replace 0 with the number corresponding to your problematic storage device and press Enter. Step 5. Type clean and press Enter. Be cautious, as this will erase all data on the selected disk. Step 6. Once the disk is cleaned, type create partition primary and press Enter to create a new partition. Step 7. Type format fs equals NTFS quick or replace NTFS with the desired file system and press Enter to quickly format the drive. Solution 5. Check and repair drive errors. Step 1. Right-click the disk or drive that Windows is unable to format, then select Properties. Step 2. Go to the Tools tab and click the Check button. Step 3. When a prompt appears, choose Scan and Repair Drive to begin the scanning and repair process. Step 4. Once completed, try formatting the drive again in Windows. Solution 6. Use professional erasure tools. If other solutions can't fix the Windows was unable to complete the format error, try Coolmuster Data Erasure. This user-friendly tool securely erases data and formats storage devices, including SD cards, USB drives, and hard drives, ensuring complete data removal to protect your privacy. Step 1. Download and install the wipe driver on your PC and launch it. From the main interface, select the Drive Wiper mode. Step 2. Choose the erasure level Quick Erase or Deep Erase and select the drive you want to wipe, whether it's an internal hard drive or an external USB device. Step 3. Click Erase Now to begin the wiping process and confirm your selection when prompted. Make sure to back up any important data beforehand, as this will erase everything on the drive.